From Nnewi to New York, from Aba to Abuja, Igbo entrepreneurs have built empires across the world. But here's a question many people keep asking. Why don't Igbo billionaires invest heavily in the Southeast, their homeland? Is it fear, politics, poor infrastructure, or something deeper? Welcome to Ebonyi People TV. Today we dive deep into the uncomfortable truth why the wealth of some of the most industrious people in Africa rarely circulates where it matters most. The Igbo are globally known for their entrepreneurial spirit, from Chief Cletus Ibeto of the Ibeto Group to Cosmos Maduka of Koscharis to Innocent Chukuma of Innocent Motors. Many of these billionaires started with little or nothing, just vision, grit, and a knack for business. Some conquered the spare parts industry, some dominated oil and gas, others thrived in telecoms and real estate. But there's one thing they all have in common. Most of their investments are not in Igbo land. Do you know any Igbo billionaire making serious investments in the Southeast? Drop their names in the comments. Let's face it, investing in the Southeast comes with serious risks. Poor infrastructure, inconsistent electricity, security concerns, including kidnappings and violent agitations, weak political will, and a lack of federal presence in critical sectors. Many Igbo billionaires quickly ask, why build a factory in Abia State, for instance, when Lagos offers power, ports, and protection? Sadly, industrial zones in the southeast like MNA Industrial Layout in Enugu or the Abashu cluster have suffered years of neglect. You cannot build a billion-dollar empire in a place where trucks can't move and investors fear for their lives. Almost every top Igbo business figure has made Lagos their home base. Lagos is Nigeria's economic capital. It has seaports, international airports, real estate appreciation, and most importantly, it's where the buyers are. That's why an Igbo trader from Anambra State would rather build a plaza in Lekki than in Oka. It's not just sentiment, it's survival and strategy. Even products made in the East like shoes from Aba or auto parts from Nnewi are shipped to Lagos first for visibility, scale, and profit. Igbo billionaires love their roots. They return for Ofala festivals, build schools and churches, sponsor scholarships, and donate during emergencies. But emotional ties doesn't always translate to capital investment. The fear of sabotage, envy, and lack of regional coordination keeps many away. Some say, if I build a factory here, will local youth protect it or loot it? Others say, why risk my life and business in a politically marginalized zone? Do you agree that insecurity and local sabotage scare away Igbo investors from the East? Let's discuss it in the comments. Unlike the North or Southwest, the Southeast suffers from a lack of unified economic agenda. Governors often operate independently, prioritizing personal politics over regional progress. No coordinated rail project, no shared industrial roadmap, no strong regional bank or energy infrastructure. Without a master plan, billionaires have no long-term security for their investment. Until the region speaks with one economic voice, private sector confidence will remain very low. But all hope is not lost. Ebonyi State is slowly setting an example under leaders who prioritize infrastructure and transparency. Enugu is reviving old projects and trying to attract diaspora capital. Even Imo and Abia states are showing signs of renewed commitment to regional growth. The future may not rest solely in the hands of billionaires, but in the youth, tech innovators, and regional thinkers rising now. With better security, power, and politics, the Southeast could become the economic tiger it was always meant to be. To the billionaires from the East, the Igbo billionaires, we see your hard work, we understand your fears, but the truth remains, if the Southeast is to rise, you must come home, not just to visit, but to build, not just to donate, but to invest, because no one will develop Ali Igbo if its richest sons and daughters don't lead the way. What will it take for Igbo billionaires to bring their money home? Drop your thoughts below. If you believe in rebuilding the East, like this video, subscribe to Ebonyi People TV, and share with others who care about the future of Ali Igbo. And as we start this brand new week, I just want to say Happy New Week to you watching from anywhere around the world. Also, we at Ebonyi People TV are open for partnerships, event coverage, and documentaries. Got something you want the world to see? Maybe a wedding, real estate festival, project, or even your community? Just drop a comment under this video and we'll reply immediately. Let's tell your story beautifully. From all of us at Ebonyi People TV, we say thank you for watching